What's the meaning of affably? Affably. 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 The term affably refers to someone who is friendly, pleasant and approachable in their manner. An affable person is easy to talk to and creates a welcoming atmosphere, often putting others at ease with their warm demeanor. This trait is often associated with being amiable, cordial and genial towards others. It can be expressed through simple things like a smile, a friendly conversation, or a willingness to help. Being affable can facilitate positive social interactions, build relationships and enhance one's reputation as a likable person.